Hi, I'm Hannah and today I'm going to be showing you how you can vote on SmartCash proposals using either your Qt wallet or the SmartCash web wallet. My favorite feature of SmartCash is the ability for anyone to submit their ideas as proposals to the community treasury, and for everyone in the SmartCash community having the ability to be able to vote as to whether those proposals should get funded. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time today talking about how the Smart Hive works or how you can submit a proposal for the community treasury to get funding, but I do have another video where I talk about that in more detail. So if that's something that interests you, then I will leave a link down in the description below. Today, we're just going to be talking about how you can vote on the proposals that have already been submitted. Now, voting doesn't cost you anything at all, so you don't have to worry about losing your Smart Rewards. So if you do have SmartCash and you've never voted before, then it's definitely something that you should check out. I recommend getting on the voting website and having a look at the different ideas out there and the different projects that people want to do. To see all the proposals and cast your vote, you need to go to vote.smartcash.cc. And then when you're on there, you can have a scroll through and look at the different proposals until you find one that you're interested in reading a bit more about. If I click View Proposal, then I'm going to see here a summary and a detailed description of the goals and how that person wants to undertake their project. If I scroll down here and I click View Proposal Discussion, that's going to take me into the SmartCash forums where I can see the pre-proposal discussion, I can see the different comments that other people have left, and I can even leave a comment myself if I want to highlight something or suggest improvements or even just ask a question. When I'm ready to vote, I can click Cast Vote, and then I'll have to think about which SmartCash address I want to use to vote, bearing in mind that one smart is equal to one vote. After I do that, I'm going to click the copy button next to the proposal statement, and then I'm going to go into my SmartCash wallet and I'm going to click File and then Sign Message. Here I'm going to post in that proposal statement for the proposal that I want to vote on, and then I'm also going to paste in the address that I'm using to vote. Now what I'm going to do is click Sign Message, and then that's going to give me a signature, and I'll need to press the copy button on the signature and go back to the voting website to paste that one in. Then I select my vote, whether I want to click yes, no, or I want to abstain. And then now you can see that my vote has been submitted. Now, if you want to vote, but you don't have the Qt wallet, you don't need to worry. If you just got the SmartCash web wallet, the voting in there is actually a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do now, I'll show you quickly how you can vote using the web wallet. If I log in to my demo web wallet, and then I click on the voting tab on the side, you've got all the proposals there, so you can read those in more detail, but I'm just going to click vote, and then I'm going to select the address from the side that I want to use to vote, pop in my password, and then I'm just going to click yes, no, or abstain. And it's literally as simple as that. So there you go, guys. I hope this video helped you out if you were wondering how you can vote on a SmartCash proposal. I really love the decentralized voting system that SmartCash has, so if you haven't used it before, if you've never voted on a proposal but you have SmartCash, I would definitely recommend, take 10 minutes to read through the proposals on the voting site, see if there's something that you like, and if you want to submit a proposal, if you have some really great ideas for the future of SmartCash, then definitely check out the other video that I'm going to link down below, and that will give you a bit more detail about how the community treasury works and how you can submit your ideas to be voted on by the SmartCash community. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.